Hello friends, in last video we have studied about electric current, type of current and charge carriers. Now we are going to study about current density. I think you have listened a word population density. Number of people living in unit area is population density. And what is current density? As we know that current flow through cross section of any conducting particle. So current density is, in a conductor, current flowing through unit cross sectional area is known as current density. It is represented by capital J. Let's take a conductor which is represented by dot. Current del I is flowing through a cross sectional area del S. Then, since del I current is flowing through area del S, so current flowing through unit area will be del I upon del S. If amount of current and cross sectional area is very less, then J equal to limit del S tends to 0, which will be represented by differentiation of current with respect to area. For whole conductor, if total current is I and total cross-sectional area is S, then current density J equal to I upon S. Since current through S area is capital I, then current through unit area I upon S will be current density J. Now, in this condition, direction of area is same as direction of current. If there is angle between direction of area and direction of current, since this is over del S. Now there is some angle between direction of area and direction of current. The angle between direction of current and area is theta. Then cos component of area will be in direction of current. So J equal to del I upon del S cos theta and I equal to J del S cos theta. If we represent it in vector form, then del I equal to vector J dot vector del S. J current density is a vector quantity. Its unit is ampere upon meter square because current upon area. So unit is ampere upon meter square and you may calculate its dimension by its unit. Okay, thank you.